Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I'm going to teach you how to create your own Openvpn good for 1 month just for free. Just go to vpnsplit.com, scroll down, just click create VPN account, the first one, create VPN account, scroll down, and that you'll be able to see the login with Google, or if you have a Gmail account. Since I have a Gmail account, I'll be able to press that boy corner, and if you haven't, just create a Gmail account or use another account if you have. Since I have, I just click that boy corner and it's loading right now. And after that, you scroll down and select VPN server 6. So I have a file. You have to go to the description below of the video and you'll be able to see the link. So server 6, that one, and you must create a password. Any password, it could be alphabet or number, or a combination of alphabet and number. So just scroll down just a little bit and click create VPN account. You'll be able to see that one. Okay, that's create VPN account. You see that? And wait for the green so you can see your account. That's it. That's your username and password. That's the 1 month account. Just copy paste the username and the password. So if you haven't downloaded the Openvpn, you can download it on Play Store, Openvpn, and for iPhone and iPad, just go to your App Store and download Openvpn. So that's it guys. So I have a file, just go to the description of the video. That's the link. There's a link just for free, no payment, no 150, 120, the other VPN users. So that's it guys, just download it. So I have to go to the application and disconnect the file. So I'll be able to put the password and username. So that's it. If you have, just click the edit button, the pencil, that one, and paste it. I'll just paste my account. It's the same one, username, but another number. Okay, I just paste. Okay guys, it's so easy. Just copy and paste it. You created the account in vpnsplit.com. Yeah, put the password. So that's my password. And after you put the username and the password, just click the save button at upper right corner. Yes, that's the one. Save and click continue. Click it and click continue. So the name of the file is boy corner 1 month server 6. So congrats guys, you're now connected. Congratulations. And you'll be able to stream, watch videos, and download just for 1,900 MB per day. So after 12 nights, it will be resetted and you can continue downloading and streaming, watching movies and anime that you like. That's it guys. So if you've learned something, please subscribe and share this video to your friends and families so they can save more money on their internet connection. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.